Ever wondered why your hair doesn't look as healthy and shiny as you'd like it to be? Well, you're not alone. Many of us grapple with common hair problems like dryness, hair fall, dandruff, and those pesky split ends. And the causes? They're as varied as the hair types we all have. Stress, pollution, and poor nutrition can all wreak havoc on our hair, leaving us with locks that are less than lustrous. But don't despair, there's a potential solution that's been around for thousands of years: Ayurvedic oiling. Originating from ancient India, Ayurvedic oiling harnesses the power of nature, using a variety of herbal oils to nourish and rejuvenate your hair. These oils, derived from plants like Brahmi, Amla, and Bringraj, can help address your hair woes and bring back that shine and bounce. If you're tired of these hair problems, Ayurvedic oiling might be the answer you're looking for. You might ask, what exactly are these Ayurvedic oils? Well, let's dive right in and unravel this mystery. Ayurvedic oils are a fusion of nature's finest ingredients designed to cater to your hair's specific needs. And trust me when I say, they are nothing short of magic. Let's start with Bringraj oil. Known as the king of herbs, Bringraj is a plant with a reputation for promoting hair growth. When transformed into oil, it becomes a potent potion that stimulates the scalp, increases blood circulation, and triggers the growth of new hair. If you're longing for luscious locks, Bringraj oil might just be your new best friend. Next up we have Amla oil. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a small fruit packed with an abundance of nutrients. When these nutrients are harnessed in the form of oil, they work wonders in strengthening your hair from root to tip. Amla oil is a powerhouse of vitamin C, which shields your hair from environmental damage and helps maintain its natural color and shine. Then we have neem oil, an unsung hero in the world of hair care. Neem, a tree native to India, is renowned for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. As an oil, it's a formidable weapon against the dreaded dandruff and itchy scalp. It cleanses your scalp, leaving it healthy and dandruff-free. Last, but certainly not least, we have coconut oil, a classic favorite. This multi-purpose oil is a fantastic moisturizer, penetrating deep into your hair shafts and providing the hydration they crave. It's also rich in protective antioxidants and has a natural SPF that shields your hair from sun damage. These oils are not just mixtures of fats and lipids. They are natural solutions, meticulously crafted, and packed with the nutrients necessary for healthy hair. They are the result of centuries of Ayurvedic wisdom, brought to life in the form of these magical elixirs. See, Ayurvedic oils aren't just oils. They are powerhouses of nutrients that your hair will thank you for. So, what does it all boil down to? It's simple, really. Ayurvedic oiling is a holistic way to tackle those pesky hair problems and boost your overall hair health. Let's take a quick recap. With oils like Bringraj, Amla, and Brahmi, you're not only tending to issues like hair loss, dandruff, or graying hair, but also nourishing your scalp and enhancing your hair's natural beauty. These Ayurvedic oils are packed with nutrients that strengthen your hair from root to tip, promote growth, and provide that much sought-after shine. But it doesn't stop there. Ayurvedic oiling goes beyond just solving problems. It's about enhancing what's already there, improving your hair's texture, making it softer, smoother, and more manageable. It's about embracing a natural, time-tested method that works in harmony with your body's unique needs. It's about taking a step towards healthier, happier hair. In the end, Ayurvedic oiling might just be the key to unlocking the full potential of your hair.